really love about this because filtered water is not new to me. This is really how we've been drinking our water because we want to stay away from the plastic bottles, right? So we always talk about the plastic bottles and the single serve na drinks, but what we don't realize is a lot of us, we still use those gigantic plastic bottles at home. So it's really good to stay away from plastic. But the filter that we've had for the longest time does not have hot and cold. So the hot and cold function is new to me, and it amazes me so much because, like I said earlier, it's such a game changer for me to be able to have hot and cold water. Because you know what we do right now? We put water in containers and then we put it in the refrigerator, or we have a lot of ice made, and then what happens is when we have guests, we run out of cold water, diba? Or if we need hot water, we have to put it in the kettle. So to have this, and they were explaining it also earlier today, that the temperatures are adjustable. So with just a turn of the knob, you can adjust. Oh, sorry. You can adjust the hot and then the cold. You can adjust the temperatures. It goes up to 98 degrees. So that's just below boiling. So it's very ideal for coffee, for mga instant drinks like hot chocolate, tea, because it will dissolve it right away. Even for milk, para sa mga bata, for infants, yung mga formula, it's very good because it's so hot, but it's not too hot to the point na it's already boiling. So, very ideal.
You know what, Miss Colleen, when you actually just turn the knob.
Yeah, I thought you have to turn this pa pala, pero hindi, it's automatic na pala.
And then when the water came out, alam mo yung kitang-kita mo na agad, ang bilis niya rin uminit.
Yes, very fast. It's instant talaga. So, it's very impressive.
Yeah, actually, me personally, diba, we think na drinking water, matig, it's already healthy. Just drink water. But now,
and it is healthy to drink as much water as you can every day. But we're moving on to get even healthier. So the choice that you make with your water really matters.
Agree. So you know what? Let's have a taste again. Siyempre, maka-thirsty na tayo.
Yes.
So let's try it out. Okay, so let me... Thank you. And it's very
this. We have right direct in the sink. So right now at home we have something like this, but again, no hot and cold. So for you to have both the hot and cold, it's amazing.
game changer as what you said earlier. So let's try this cold water for Miss Colleen.
Thank you.
Cold water.
So for me, like what I will do with this, right now our water is in the kitchen. I'll put this straight in the dining room already. So that the guests, they don't have to go all the way to the kitchen when they need to refill their drinks.
Yes,
diba?
agree.
So I feel like it's so convenient. And it actually, if you get something like this model, it won't take up more space than the water dispensers that we're already used to having.
Yes. Actually, I have a water dispenser at home, and this is way better.
Yeah. It's just about the same amount of space that you will need.
Okay, so I think we're done with our product demo.